Hey, yeah. Hey yo, I don't wanna talk about the things while I'm gone. I just wanna think what I create. Hey, I'm going to. You gotta know me. Yeah. Hey, hey, soon I feel the pain but no gain. One of the shiny as I always. Shows my mind is shit, not a shit. Bitch, half of my life gonna pain on my side. My fight, you're gonna find many bitches calling behind, but you can hide. That's my bitch in your side. Hey, just quiet when I'm rapping, yo. Bitches coming down in my school days, man. How dealing marijuana? I don't give a fuck about what they say, what they see, man. Oh shit. I just feel fucking man, and then you better know me. You just talking about behind, bitch. Oh, just quiet, I'm just going on my high. I know what I'm doing, you don't teach me why. Hey, if you wanna know me, hey, better you know, or you ask me, cause rumors, I don't give a fuck you say to others. I just wanna say I'm just chilling on my high. Better you know, smoking marijuana. I don't give a fuck, I don't get stressed out, bitch. Just do it all, just go on. What you wanna do, just do it on. Fuck it. And you know what, I'm just moving on. Like, hey, yo man, nah shit. I just wanna make what I deserve, bitch. And I know I'm the one, hey, that you don't know. Like, yeah, हालात में पूछा पर देखा तो सही है, मेरे को देख के वो जाना तो सही, लेकिन मेरा फिर तेरे जैसा नहीं है भाई. मार के मेरे साथ वो भी हाई है भाई, हाय खुलता चिल्लो के लंगोटे भाई. मालूम है ना क्या यहाँ पे देखो, हाँ चलने का बढ़ने का झड़ने का सारी तो बेटा तुमको चलने का क्या. हाँ इधर से छोड़ वहाँ से निकल, क्या तेरा भरे आई तो तू बकरी की शिट बोल के बेटा जादू तो बन गया, लेकिन देखो यहाँ पे आ गया क्या. हाँ जिस करने का नहीं, यहाँ पे देखो चलने का नहीं, फैक्ट को निकालने का, क्योंकि आप खेल रहे हैं क्या. I smell a fake shit, I'll be wrong what you say, hey, don't you